What type of dog you think you is, DDG? I'm a 101 Dalmatian on Square Crib. I'm like that exotic dog. You like, oh, that's a 101 Dalmatian right there. Look at that 101 Dalmatian right there. You feel me? Niggas ain't like, oh, look at that wiener dog. Niggas looking like, that's a wiener dog. Look at that 101 Dalmatian right there. Oh, God, these bitches know what they dealing with. I'm looking for a golden retriever. I'm looking for a Key Corso. I'm looking for blue nose pit bull. You know what I mean, bitch? That's ready. Ready. Bite about this motherfucker. You know what I mean? If you not